Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Come tomorrow, most categories of fuel will see another week of decline. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less. $4.50 will also be cut from the cost of diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene. Propane will drop by 7 cents, while butane will sell for $1.56 more. Each gas station will make adjustments to the prices. The Ministry of Culture says the establishment of a policy to drive the formalization of the local orange economy is making progress. Javon Keys has more.
The Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Babsy-Grange, says consultations have been done on the proposed legislation, which is expected to boost the economic opportunities for players in the sector.
We are currently in the first draft stage of our Cultural Economy Act, which will be a legal framework for our ECCIs, which is Entertainment, Culture and Creative Industry sector. In fact, we move from having a cultural policy into creating this Economy Act.
She says the discussions have been ongoing.
We had a first draft done. We had a similar consultation, and it is now with the drafter for her to incorporate all the inputs we have had to send us back a second draft. That second draft will be reviewed by us internally, by the Entertainment Division, the Cultural Division, and then we will go back out to the sector for another consultation and to get to the final draft.
This will be taken to Cabinet with the accompanying policies. But what difference will it make?
This is going to be an important step for the sector because they need a legal framework, they need protection, they need a framework within which they can work for the development of the sector, how we will fund, how we will protect in terms of their intellectual property, how we will encourage the banking sector to invest in the creative sector.
According to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, in 2021, the creative economy was projected to reach a global valuation of $985 billion by 2023. It is also considered one of the fastest growing sectors in the world. While Jamaica is renowned for a number of global entertainment and cultural contributions and enterprises, practitioners in the space have lamented the absence of an official framework under law to help boost the economic potential of the sector. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The US dollar is being sold for an average $156.47. $115.68 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is going for $198.74, while the euro is selling for $171. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 173 points today, while the junior market decreased by 41 points. Among the 39 winners, JMMB Group 7%, Edufocal, G West Corporation, Siboney Group and Blue Power Group. Leading the 46 losers, Productive Business Solutions 9.75%, Lasco Manufacturing, Derimon Trading Company, Epley Carbon Property Fund and Epley. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.